Despite initially declining to participate in multiple debates with former President Donald Trump, Vice President Kamala Harris's campaign swiftly called for a second debate immediately following the conclusion of Tuesday night's event in Philadelphia. The debate, hosted by ABC, marked the first direct confrontation between Harris and Trump. Tonight, the American people had the opportunity to witness the stark choice they will face in the upcoming election. Moving forward with Kamala Harris, or returning to the past with Donald Trump, said Harris campaign chair Jen O'Malley-Dillon in a statement. That is what was made clear tonight, and it's what should be shown again in a second debate in October. O'Malley-Dillon further added, Vice President Harris is ready for a second debate. The question is Donald Trump? This marks a shift in the campaign strategy, especially following Trump's poor performance during the June 27th debate with President Biden. That event led to widespread criticism from Democrats, ultimately resulting in Biden's withdrawal from the race. The Harris campaign expressed confidence in Harris's performance, declaring her the winner of the evening. In a post-debate statement, O'Malley-Dillon asserted that Harris commanded the stage on every single issue, while labeling Trump as completely incoherent. Before the debate, Trump had repeatedly criticized ABC News and questioned his participation. Although the Harris campaign initially objected to the rule that microphones be muted while the opposing candidate spoke, they ultimately accepted the format, allowing the debate to proceed.